Young hibachi cooked another one.
What's good, people? Welcome back to the channel where you learn how to keep it locked, keep it healthy. It has been 13, well, going on 13 years, might as well say 13 years since I've had these Locs. That is a long time, from 2011 until now. I haven't cut or trimmed. There have been some that have broken off, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. It comes with the territory. I've never had long hair, and now that I do have long hair, I see what comes with it. You know what I'm saying? As of right now, my hair is right about at my waist, kind of touching my butt. Let me see. So this is my waist right here. So I got a few dropping down, you feel me? My waist up. Getting long, staying strong. Speaking of 13 years, I do have some gray hairs. I got like 2 up here. I don't know if you can see them, but here's a little picture of them. I found them one time when I was doing my locks. Saw the gray hairs, I was like, oh dang. At first, I thought it was cat hair, because I do have a cat, still got them. But lo and behold, I could not pull those out easily. It was, it's my hair, you know, got a couple silvers in there, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good, I ain't mad at it. I'm waiting for more to pop up, you know? I'm not the one to be like, oh, I don't want gray hair. Ooh. No, give me that seasoning. Give me a little seasoning, you know what I'm saying? I'm about ready for a little bit of seasoning. Just a little sprinkle, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? While I wait for the beard to grow in. Now, I did have a lock that broke off almost halfway. Well, I think it's still at that length. Now this lock, it broke off. I'm not sure where the other half of it went. I don't know. It's gone, long gone. I will never see it again. But I do have a lock that was combined with another one, like almost towards the root. So it was pretty long, you know what I'm saying? I had another piece of lock. I didn't need it attached to the lock, you know what I'm saying, that it was on, so I could cut it off. Everything's cool. Cut that off. Put it on this one. Where the motherfucker at? Put it on this one. And it was, I would say to my thigh. That's how long it was. Went all the way down to my thigh. Only one lock like that. I was like, damn, this is my longest lock. But apparently I didn't put it in there good enough. Cause with the right amount of tug of war type shit going on, right amount of pulling, right amount of force, it came out. I still got it. I plan on putting it back, but I'm just trying to make sure I know what I'm doing before I do that. I'm gonna show y'all when I do get that done. I know I've showed y'all before the technique, the process. I've fixed a couple locks, but as far as reattaching, I haven't really done a lot of reattaching. So this is gonna be my reattachment experiment right here. I gotta remember what that motherfucker is. I do have some more newly combined locks, not gonna lie. I had periods of time where I went without a retwist for, I say, 2 months. And the way my new growth grows, it likes to grow outside of the lock. So I did have some thinning going on. So when I did go to retwist, certain hairs got put with other locks. So those locks that were without the hairs that they usually would have end up being thin. So I had to combine some more locks. I haven't like fully combined them yet, so they just at the root with the Y. So I'm gonna have to find them and then twist them up, you know, crochet the end of it. Later on, I get the rest of it right, you know what I'm saying? Keep watching, retwisting, acting like it's one lock regular type shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. I'm gonna have to do a recount of my locks because I don't know how many I got right now. I think it was 280 something. I forgot. I had to go back to the video. So 105, 90, 195. So I'm 5 away from 200. I'm gonna have to recount it and see how much it is now. Speaking of reattachments and breaking locks, look at this. Look at this. So this is a combined lock from about here. It's combined from here. So this is one of the newly combines, not too new, but new enough. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Not too new, but new enough. I say about 4-5 months after the combination. But I did do a little bit of crocheting to make it stick, but I didn't really finish the job. I didn't, I'm not gonna lie. So down here, we got this extra piece that I'm kind of confused as far as what's going on. What I think had happened was maybe that was on there, and then I don't know, but this coming off right here. You can see it. I might as well just I ain't even pull it hard. Being that my locks is long right now, this does not bother me. It don't bother me at all. Cause I still got enough lock. Look at that. It's still, you know what I'm saying, long enough to blend in and not look short like this other one. So this I don't need. Not gonna put it back in or no shit like that. Now, like I said, if half the motherfucker break off like this one did, I want to do something to it. Cause I don't want to just have this just flailing around all, put a bun up, it might not work because it's sticking up out of, you know what I'm saying? Speaking of buns, now I do my buns without any hair bows. I can do ponytails without any hair bows. Here is the example of the bun. You know what I'm saying? Just to wrap around. As far as the ponytails, I just take 2 or 3 locks from like the middle of where I want that ponytail to be, and I'll bring it out and then wrap it around and then tuck it. You know what I'm saying? Tuck it in through with the little end of it. And usually try to do it at the bottom of it so it won't be seen. You know what I'm saying? I did at one point, that piece I was talking about, that was that long piece I'm gonna put on this short lock. That long piece, I did at one point take that and make a ponytail with it. Not gonna lie, I had multi-purpose uses, you know what I'm saying? It's mine, might as well use it, right? Nobody could know, nobody knew until I would take the shit off in front of somebody. Well, oh, your hair came off. I'm like, no, it was already like this. This is my ponytail piece. But 13 years, I think I'm doing pretty good. I think I got a few more years in me. Let me see. I don't know if I want to trim or not. Like when it get down here, maybe. We gonna see. I don't feel like I'm a trim, but as they get longer, we gonna see. You know what I'm saying? I go to the bathroom. I gotta sit on the toilet already. Got to do that. Move the hair out the way. Well, so we gonna see. We gonna see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? I've got it caught in the car door, in the seat belt. We gonna see. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? As of right now, I'm not trimming. No. I mean, they do their own break off thing anyway. They're never gonna be all the same length unless I trim them the same length. And then they're not gonna stay the same length either. So I might as well let it naturally trim if it is going to. But yeah, we gonna see. I might want to be one of them the motherfuckers with the locks down to the ankles. But we gonna see. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing, liking, all that. Till next time, I'm out.